Building a DApp in just 5 minutes is quite ambitious, but you can quickly set up a basic structure using tools like Create Web3 DApp or CryptCore Web3 SDK. Here's a simplified guide to get you started. Choose a quick setup tool, Create Web3 DApp. This tool allows you to create a full-stack DApp quickly from the command line. It offers templates and can set up your project in minutes. CryptCore Web3 SDK. This SDK provides a simple way to build a Hello World DApp that displays user balances, which can be done in about 5 minutes. Set up your project. For Create Web3 DApp, open your terminal and run npx create web3 DApp at latest. Follow the prompts to set up your project name and choose a template, if available. For CryptCore Web3 SDK, install the CryptCore Web3 SDK in your project. Use the SDK to create a simple DApp that fetches and displays user balances. Deploy your DApp. Provided by the setup process. CryptCore Web3 SDK. Deploy your simple DApp on a hosting platform that supports static files. Test your Create Web3 DApp. Once set up, you can deploy your DApp using the tools. App. Open your DApp in a browser to test its functionality. Customize and expand. While you can't fully customize or expand your DApp in just 5 minutes, you can start planning enhancements for later. Example, code with Create Web3 DApp. To get started with Create Web3 DApp, you would run npx create web3 DApp at latest. Follow the prompts to set up your project. Example with CryptCore Web3 SDK. Here's a simple example of how you might use CryptCore Web3 SDK to display user balances. Import CryptCore from @CryptCore/web3scan. Display balance in your DApp UI, GEV balance. Remember, building a fully functional DApp takes more time and effort, but these tools can help you quickly set up a basic structure. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos.